are pleased to show you the 2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.